Okay, so this is part 284, C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3P38D19A. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d19a. Tetrahedral coordination dipole magnets UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And this is about the structure of the core of the UFO spaceship, how to use magnetic forces from the WOW data. February 24, 2013. Today's March the 9th. The keyword is martensite-austenite crystals from the previous video, line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d13 nano carbon steel metals of UFO 5G Wow Seti. The formula from that data was martensite steel crystalline structure, formed displacive transformation, hard minerals, lath, plate-shaped crystal grains, viewed cross-section, lenticular, lens-shaped crystal grains. We're going to mix crystal grains in with obsidian glass, and then acicular needle-shaped crystals. Oh, sorry, you can see how long it takes me to type and why. I have trouble. So Google these keywords together to see what comes up. Acicular and crystal grains from a previous video, which we already did. Line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d15, and it's diffusionless transformation metals 5G Wow Seti. So then I worked on the keywords acicular and crystal grains, natural light, and bendable metals formula in the WOW data from a previous video. Line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d18. Zinc blood cubic crystal formula 5G Wow Seti. So the keyword from the data is natural light to zinc blend structure. So the keywords are zinc blend structure and cubic crystal system plus tetrahedral coordination plus create a dipole plus a dipole antenna, which will be in the next video. So March 1st. The keyword tetrahedral coordination, quote, definition of tetrahedral coordination. Oh, sorry. I usually tell you where it came from. So it's a quote from a blog. So definition of tetrahedral coordination is the state of being surrounded by four atoms whose centers are at the corners of a tetrahedron. And I found that at www.merriam-webster.com. My thoughts. The core of the UFO proton is surrounded by four monopoles and six quadrupole magnets. This says to use four atoms and put them in the corners of the tetrahedron. Okay, so we were going to put corners of the tetrahedron, and so we're going to use nodes. Nodes formulas. Sorry. From WOW data. 22, cross-reference, lines 1 to 27 data. So and the keyword will be nodes. I think we do nodes, and we'll do nanowires and microwires when we do the cross-referencing. Okay. That way we cover everything, right? Oh, wait a second. I should put magnets in there too, right? Because we have magnets in this formula. Okay. So let's Google the keywords magnets plus atoms and see what comes up. Quote from a blog, if a magnet is cut in two magnets or dipoles are created out of one. This sectioning and creation of dipoles can continue to the atomic level. Therefore, the source of magnetism lies in the basic building block of all matter, the atom. Okay? www.ndt-ed.org. So there's the link there. My thoughts. The basic building blocks is the new standard model of bosons in the WOW data. I'm not sure what line that came up in. It's probably in between 15 and 22. You would just Google on the YouTube channel, The Idea Girl Says, look under New Standard Model, and it should bring it up because I put it in the key, you know, the tags, and I also put it in the title. So, I'll probably do a cross-reference about that later anyway, so don't worry about that. So the basic building blocks in the New Standard Model of bosons in the WOW data. A magnet cut into two with a liquid argon gas laser beam that's got cooled plasma. What happens? That's what I'm asking you. What will happen? Because I have no idea. Then it says, cut the magnet, create dipoles, and go to an atomic level. Does this mean an atomic nuclear type of reaction can be achieved by cutting this magnet a certain way, or colliding something with it? Then it says the source of magnetism lies in your basic building block of all matter, the atom. So we use the source of magnetism as our basic building block in the new standard model of bosons, using the 5 axial forces plus what? Oh wait, plus 4 plus the 5 new bosons found in the WOW data, plus what? Oops. I don't know what the third ingredient is. Cross-reference building blocks formula with 5 axial forces. Sorry. New standard model. And new 5 bosons, right? I came up with new found in line 22's WOW data. Then cross-reference with lines 1 to 27 WOW data to find out. There we go. Sounds good. So the keywords from the data, create a dipole, brings up keyword dipole antenna, and that'll start in the next video, and there are several videos for that. And I'm still researching it, so it'll take another week or so before I get to it. Okay, thanks for watching.